Areta njira ya kumahura njaki kimathako nirarishia Malkia Strikers kiroko kia umuthi ni maharirio cai wa rucini mukawa-ini wa Vilarosa Kempinski. Uone thutha wa utungata thini wa mbitika cia FIVB Volleyball World Cup 2019 na kuria mari namba 11 thini wa thi ona gutuika mahotire ngucanio 10 makihota ngucanio imwe tu.
Our competition is not that well compared to the Europe countries. I think we have to look for more sponsors to help the Malkia Strikers to train smart and hard.
Timu ino iria ifatie gukorwo ikiingira kambi mweri yukite matiuĩ kana ni magakorwo na motungata kuma kuri kocha wao wa ihinda riri Paul Bitok.
It will be a topic for discussion this weekend when we have the National Executive Committee meeting, and then we'll inform the world where we are. But he's done a good job. His deputies have done a good job. I don't want to preempt anything, but we are waiting for this day when a formal decision will be made over the weekend on Saturday.
Na kuokoge mwanacia Francis Kimanzi Harambee Stars umuthi yuma thiku yao ya gatatu ya wihariria mbere ya ngucanio yao ya keri ya kiurata na Mozambique muthi wa kiumia kiharo-ini gia Kasarani. Kocha uyu akiuga ni hinda riega riake kuhe athaki au bururi-ini mweke kuona athaki aingi aria mathakaga nja wa bururi matire na mweke wa gukinya bururi-ini.
For me, I think it's important because it is a friendly match and you are not seeing all the players every day. It's always important that you make some decisions. And the decision is that you call players, you give them an opportunity, you see, then at least you can clear that doubt.
Harambee Stars marina gifarua gia AFCON 2021 qualifiers kwambiriria mweri wa 11 mwaka uyu. Giribotera methe ya mathako ya Kameme TV. Ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.